Okay, here we are. Walls are going up. Look at the bathroom. Wave, Gene. Look at this. Here it goes. And before you know it, it's gonna be up. Here you go.
Through the lanai.
Yep, here's the lanai. Look at this.
The lanai is big, bigger than the
Look
rest.
at that. No, it's not. Don't listen to her. Look, here's the kitchen window. Really nice. It's getting here.
Look, bring it over here. Show
Yep.
it from here.
This is going to be the door to the bedroom
Master bedroom
and bathroom.
bathroom.
Right now, everything looks small until the walls actually go up, but it's not. Look at this. Look at that. Yep, it's coming along. See? It's getting cold. There's the kitchen back there. Here's going to be another bathroom right there with the window.
Another window in the bathroom.
This is going to be another bedroom back here, and then this bedroom right here. Then you got the garage. Look at this. See that? Look. See? But yes, things always look small until the walls go up. I had the same problem. I thought they were missing a room. This is her kitchen. Look at that. And before you know it, it'll be up. All of this here. Look at that. See? It's coming along. Here's the entrance, gonna be here. The entrance. And that's about that. So there you go. Say bye, Gene.